What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to edit your SendGrid API settings for maximum flexibility. Your API key is what connects SendGrid to your apps, and knowing how to edit it keeps your emails secure and running smoothly. Here's how it's done. Log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Settings. Select API Keys. Then select the API key you want to edit. You can modify the permissions to adjust access levels for different app services. For example, you might want to limit certain apps to read-only access. You can click on Restricted Access, customizing levels of access for all parts of your account, excluding billing and email address validation. When you're done, save your changes and test your key in your app to ensure it's working correctly. Just remember to be careful when adjusting these, especially if other apps or services are using this key. Changing permissions could affect their functionality. And if you choose, you can also delete your API key. Editing your API key is important for both security and flexibility, especially if you're working with multiple services. Make sure you're always reviewing your API permissions to keep your system secure. Thanks for watching. If you need help with any specific steps, check out the links in the description for more detailed guides.